Silence will make your conversations better. Hi, I'm Barbara, London-based lawyer, here to help you to navigate the law of uncomfortable conversations so that you can get what you want while giving other people what they need. Across cultures, 4 to 7 seconds pause in a conversation is all it takes for most of us to feel uncomfortable. Yet, silence is a powerful tool to build connection, establish trust, and give others space to respond in a way that is non-confrontational. When you're silent, you don't lose control, you get control. Let your words resonate and pause for 2 or 3 seconds when you make an important point. Silence is an opportunity to build connection. Wait for 2 or 3 seconds before you respond. Show them that you are actually listening rather than biding your time and waiting for your turn to speak. Silence is an opportunity to get more information. While it's natural to fill in the gaps in a conversation, it's not always helpful. When we speak less, other people tend to speak more. And when you give them space, they give you information that will help you understand their position and come to an agreement. So use the power of silence and watch your uncomfortable conversations transform. Stay tuned for more.